is necessarily true for a function f defined from capital X to capital Y. First statement is if f is injective, then there exists g from capital Y to capital X such that f of g x y equal to y for all y belongs to capital Y. Condition is f of gy equal to y, and this is true for all y belongs to capital Y. As function is given injective and f is defined from capital X to capital Y. Injective means you can understand better with the help of Venn diagram. When function is injective, it means cardinality of x less than equal to cardinality of y. In this case, we have two cases or subcases when cardinality of x is equal to cardinality of y. In this case, function g from capital Y to capital X maybe exist, and when in the case of when cardinality of x is strict less than cardinality of y. In this case, you can understand with the help of this Venn diagram. When cardinality of x means suppose you have two elements represented by a dot, and cardinality of y is greater than cardinality of x, it means you can consider three elements. So pre-image of any one element from this one might not be exist. So there doesn't exist a function g from capital Y to x such that f of gy equals to y for all y belongs to capital Y. So option A false, and come to the option B. If f is surjective, then there exists g y to x such that f of gy equal to y for all small y belongs to capital Y. Small y representing element and capital Y representing set. As function f from x to y is surjective, it means cardinality of x is greater than equal to cardinality of y. In this case, we have two cases or subcases when cardinality of x is equal to cardinality of y, and when cardinality of x is greater than cardinality of y. In equal cases or equality, when cardinality of x is greater than cardinality of y, function g from capital Y to x exists such that f of gy equal to y, and this is true for all y belongs to capital Y. And when in the case when cardinality of x is strict greater than cardinality of y, you can understand with the help of Venn diagram. When cardinality means suppose three element, and this is suppose two element. So cardinality means or in terms of pre-image, you can understand for every element y which is coming from capital Y have pre-images, you can see here. So there exists a function g from capital Y to x such that g f of g y equal to y, f of gy equal to y. This condition is true. So option B is true.